Welcome to the most dangerous Spider-Man challenge. Today, everything can go wrong.
This bridge is not safe. One wrong step, and you fall. And something is waiting below.
A hungry shark! Spider-Man is ready. Spider-Man is ready. But this will not be easy. He is not alone. Green Spider-Man joins the challenge. Blue Spider-Man is confident. Yellow Spider-Man feels lucky. But Purple Spider-Man looks dangerous. Only one can cross safely. The bridge is starting to move. Spider-Man must be careful. 3, 2, 1. Go! The challenge begins now. Oh no, it's moving! Can he keep his balance? The shark is getting closer! Everyone is scared. Some pipes are broken! But Spider-Man will try. This is just the beginning. Watch till the end! Oh no, he's slipping! He can't control it. He's falling down! Splash! Into the ocean! The shark is here! He escaped just in time. That was too close. Next one could fail.